Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Chrome is unable to open PDF documents, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now, here's exactly what to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, and then select default apps in the right pane. Okay, now search for Chrome here and go to Chrome. Now scroll down, select PDF and then choose it at Chrome and select default. If this helps, well and good. If not, then search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Straight away uninstall it. Okay, there's no other solution. Click on these three dots here, uninstall and uninstall it and uninstall it. Okay, now once this is sorted, you can open any browser and search for the word Chrome download and hit enter, and then go to Chrome download and click on download Chrome and click on open here. It will launch the installer. The installer will do its job on its own. Simply minimize it and continue with your work. This will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.